Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love leather goods and want to keep them looking brand new for years, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into one of the most trusted names in leather care, Leather Honey Leather Conditioner. We're going to see how it works on a variety of leather items, and I'll give you my honest thoughts on whether it lives up to the hype. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the brand itself. Leather Honey has been around for over 50 years, making it a staple in leather care. It's American made and has a cult following among leather experts, automotive detailers, and enthusiasts alike. If you've been searching for a solution that can take care of your leather and make it last longer, Leather Honey is one of the most recommended products out there. What I love about Leather Honey is its versatility. It can be used on all types of leather, from furniture and car upholstery to shoes, belts, boots, and even saddles. And it's really easy to use, which we'll go over in just a bit. Let's take a closer look at the key features. First off, Leather Honey is a powerful leather conditioner that not only moisturizes but also protects your leather. Unlike some other leather conditioners that need to be reapplied monthly, this one lasts for up to 6 months with just one application. Another great thing about this product is its formula. It's non-sticky, fragrance-free, and water-repellent, which means it will protect your leather from snow, rain, and moisture. If you live in a wet or humid climate, this is a huge plus. The formula is also pH balanced and made with non-toxic ingredients, so it's safe for you, your pets, and your leather. It's also free of harsh chemicals like silicone and solvents, and the best part, no animal products. So whether you're using it on your car seats or your favorite leather handbag, you can feel good about using a product that's safe and sustainable. Now, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Leather Honey. I'm going to apply it to this leather chair, which is looking a little worn. The great thing about this product is you don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. As you can see, I'm just applying a small amount with a clean cloth, and it spreads out really easily. You want to rub it in gently and let it sit for about 20 minutes to absorb into the leather. After that, I'll just buff it out with a dry cloth and we'll see how it looks. Just look at the difference. This leather chair looks so much richer, and the leather feels soft and supple. It's got a nice natural shine without being too greasy or sticky. I've also used Leather Honey on my boots and car seats. The results are always impressive, whether it's restoring an old item or just maintaining something you use every day. Alright, let's talk about the pros and cons. First, the pros. Leather Honey is hands down one of the best leather conditioners I've used. It's easy to apply, lasts a long time, and works on all types of leather, whether it's furniture, shoes, or car upholstery. Plus, the fact that it's non-toxic and water-repellent makes it a solid choice for just about anyone. The other big pro is how well it penetrates deep into the leather. I've used other products before that just sit on top, but Leather Honey gets into the pores of the leather and really nourishes it. And of course, it's safe for pets and kids, which is a huge win for families. Now, the cons. Honestly, there's not much I don't like about this product. But if I had to nitpick, I'd say that it's not suitable for suede, faux leather, or vinyl. So if you're looking for a product that can do it all, this might not be the best choice for non-leather materials. To wrap up, Leather Honey is an amazing leather conditioner that I highly recommend. It does exactly what it promises, restores, protects, and nourishes leather with a simple, non-toxic formula. Whether you're maintaining your favorite leather jacket or revitalizing an old leather sofa, Leather Honey is up to the task. If you're someone who wants to make your leather goods last longer and keep them looking great, Leather Honey is definitely worth considering. I've been really impressed with the results, and I'll be using it on all my leather items moving forward. Thanks for watching today's review. I hope this helped you decide if Leather Honey is the right choice for you. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and tips. If you've used Leather Honey or have any questions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, take care of your leather and I'll see you in the next video.